Welcome to 10511 Rockcrest Road in Westbranch, conveniently located in Northwest Houston in the Spring Branch area. I'm Julie Tam, managing broker of Lynn Realty in Houston, and this home is currently for sale. I can't wait to show you the wonderful, updated new features of this home. First, let's take a look outside in front here. You have a brick paved area that gives you wonderful options to enjoy outdoor living or connecting with your neighbors if you desire. You can place chairs, a picnic bench, or a small table with chairs to dine outside. All of this new landscaping, beautiful flowers, black mulch, just installed near the end of 2024, gorgeous flowers and shrubbery. And you've got great borders surrounding the flower beds. As we walk this long concrete path to the front door, you'll see a brand new roof installed with warranty. And then your front porch has slate tile on the floor, and we lead it right into the front door. Let's enter here, the foyer, where you see the tile flooring, and you know what? The living room is wonderful. It gives you so many options. As we walk through this doorway, you'll see how it opens up to a very high vaulted ceiling, which just gives you a great feeling. This living room is so expansive that you can make it just a great, fun, expansive den, or you can actually section it off with smaller areas within the larger space. So, for example, this corner here, you could have as a little play area or a reading nook, whatever works for your family setup. And then the center area, main area, has enough room for either small or even large profile furniture, sofas, coffee table, other seating, facing this wood-burning fireplace with an elegant brickwork and mantle to put your family heirlooms or decorative items. And then this area here, again, could be another little subsection. You could even place a grand piano here, whatever it is that you desire. We have double glass French doors that lead out to the backyard. There is a large covered concrete patio here, again, with more options for enjoying outdoor time. You could place plenty of furniture. You could literally have an outdoor living space with sofa, seating, a coffee table, or table and chairs for dining. You could have a playground set or a pet play area, and there's more grassy space too to enjoy. This wide side yard leads up to the front fence. You can see this is a brand new installed fence. Grassy areas there. You could do some extra gardening or store items. And then over here, you can see there's a separate area that is fenced off. It could be a nice little pet run, and utilities and the pretty new, just a couple of years old AC unit is installed there. Let's go back inside to take a look at the rest of the home. I want to mention as we walk back in here that these are brand new installed laminate wood floors. It's a great modern light neutral color that's very popular today. And actually, if you take a look over here, there is room for several bar stools up against the bar, beautiful tile work in front here, and great lighting as this space is connected between the kitchen and the living room, so that you can see your family or friends, whoever you have over entertaining, or whoever you live with. It's great to have connected spaces. Dining area also with this flooring continuing here. And look, you can look out to your courtyard through these lovely windows. So many windows that bring in abundant natural lighting. The courtyard is a great space as well, where you can enjoy yet more time outdoors. Here we have French doors leading into the kitchen, all right? The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, including a vintage double oven, space for a full-size refrigerator, a countertop microwave there in the corner. All you would need is a fresh coat of paint to make these cabinets personally yours. We have beautiful tile work on the backsplash here behind the cooktop and the vent hood, and the tile flooring throughout the kitchen and breakfast leads you to this space. So the breakfast is actually connected also with the sliding glass door that leads you out to this courtyard that we saw from the other side. We have wood decking and this convenient door between the courtyard and the two-car garage where you could store your grill and other recreational items that you can bring out here, or you could have a table and chairs permanently set up here. Again, so many things, whatever your heart desires, whatever you can imagine, you can make it happen in this home. Next to the breakfast, you have your laundry with folding double doors, enough space for a full-size washer and dryer, and you've got more cabinetry above and a door right next to it to the garage. Here we have another set of wood French doors that leads out to the hallway here that leads to your bedrooms. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths in this home. Another set of double doors here leading to the secondary bedrooms, the 2 secondary bedrooms near the front of the home. The first one here with a ceiling fan, freshly steam cleaned neutral color carpet, and a closet. And in this hallway, we are going to see a coat closet as well as a full bath. In the full bath, you have one sink there with a good amount of counter space, lots of cabinets, bidet, and a tiled shower and tub. And then the secondary bedroom here, also with a ceiling fan, you have a closet. This one is a walk-in closet with built-in shelving. And then we will take a look at the rest of the home. This home has been lovingly cared for. All it needs is a fresh coat of paint in the colors that you desire. And of course, if you wanted to update the cabinetry throughout the home, but everything else is ready for you to move in. Here is the primary bedroom suite at the back of the home in a split plan that gives you privacy from the rest of the bedrooms. This is the bedroom here with an updated ceiling fan. And what makes sense is if you put your bed right here between these 2 windows, headboard against this wall. There's room for nightstands on either side. And this wall is a natural space for a dresser, a chest, or perhaps a desk or a lounge to relax in. A passageway leads you into the primary bath where you have more cabinetry and countertop space. And look, a window that lets in natural lighting. You can look out to your backyard. You can close the blinds for privacy, but otherwise you have nice natural lighting coming right into your bathroom. A nice long countertop with dual sinks, more cabinetry. Here is the first of 2 walk-in closets with a mirrored door. And we have a tiled shower and tub in between the 2 closets. Your second walk-in closet here with built-in shelving. And then we have a separate water closet with bidet for privacy. If you want to make this home yours, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or your own real estate agent to schedule a showing today. You can find more information online. The full listing is at har.com. That stands for Homes and Rentals. Just search 10511 Rockcrest, all one word. I'm Julie Tam, managing broker of Lynn Realty, and I thank you for watching. Have a great week.